Are you looking to streamline your nonprofit fundraising efforts? Whether you're managing donations, organizing events, or building relationship with donors, Zeffy has got you covered. In this tutorial, we will show you how to master online donations and donors management using Zeffy. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up donation forms, manage donors, and maximize your fundraising potential, all while keeping things simple and very efficient. First of all, head over to this official website, zeffy.com, and create an account. On the top right side corner, you will see this option, sign up for free. Very first question it will ask you, is your nonprofit located in the United States or Canada? So here you have to select this option accordingly. I will use sign up with Google because that is much more efficient for me. In your case, you can just go and create an account with your email address. Now, Zeffy is a free fundraising platform designed specifically for nonprofits, making it easy to collect donations without any setup fee or monthly charges. Only sign up, you will land on dashboards. I will just go and click on no, it's not here, right? And back to the website. Now it will ask you what kind of non-profit are you. You have to select this option accordingly. Here I will just go and select individual. Now here individual on Zeffy, so I'm an individual looking to fund this online. As you can see here, I'm a donor, so you can select accordingly. If you are NPO, then you can just go and click on select here. You can enter your organization name. So I will just write here team test, right? And where you referred by the NBCDC or state booster associations. If I just go and select no here, click on next. Now, one of the best features which I like about the Zeffy, that is there's a no hidden fees, just a small optional tip from donor, intuitive interface, right, and integrate seamlessly with other tools like MailChimp and Google Analytics. Now, the third step, it will ask you what kind of fundraising campaign do you want to start with. So I will just go and select your donation. You can select any one of this option. I'll just go and click on get started. Now, the best thing which will happen, which you can, the pro tip which I can give you, verify your non-profit status during setup to access all the features. Now, creating a donation form. Now, this is a donation form here. Now, the heart of Zeffy is a to customizable donation form. Now, let's walk through creating one. Very first thing, you have to just enter the general information. So this is the title, this is just in language here, right? I will select here English, right? This is a preview, so automatically generate and send tax receipts, right? Your form will generate tax receipts only you if you enter a charity number later in the process. Add a campaign target thermometer, so let's say I'll just add here 100, right? And this is just a short description. This is by default, it was added here. I can always customize it, I can always add it according to my need. Now, if I want to see that how this form looks, I will just go and click on preview form on the top right side corner. This is a thermometer which I just added of $100. I have to add an image, and this is a description which was already added. I can always change it. Now here you can just add an image, or you can also add a link, right? You can add, go and click on plus more rich, and here you will emojis and the special characters and all the stuff. Now click on next. Now here, how much do you expect to receive from single donations? So I will just go and select your $100 to $300. So it's a one-time amount or monthly amount or yearly amount. So depending upon your requirement, you can select it. Now select a color for color of your forms. I will let it blue, but if you want to customize it, you can add it here. If you want to add a logo, so I will just add a logo, or fill with placeholder if you don't have a logo. Now this is banners. Obviously, all these forms of the donation and the charity have a banner, so you have to add a banner. If you don't have it, then click on fill with placeholder. It also gives you option to add questions. For example, these are the question which is by default added, but here you can customize your own questions, right? Whichever question you want to ask to the donor. Now this is the first thing, hello, your name, and thank you for the bottom of our heart for supporting our cause. This donation greatly helps our mission. So this is a by default thank you email which will go to the the donor. Now once everything is okay about you, everything is good, then you can just move to the next step here, but you can always get an option to customize it. It also has a template, so you can just go and click on Zeffy template and it will just give you. For example, if I want to add a newsletter template, so here I can just add it, right? Now once everything is okay, I will just go and click on next. Now this is how it's look. This is our logo, our name, donation to make a difference, and everything. Right in the bottom right side corner, it will just written here free form by Zeffy. Right, and once everything is good to go, just go and click on create a form. So we have created our donation campaign is ready. I will just go and click on go to dashboard. Now, once I start receiving the donation, I will able to see in my stats here, right? I can share the link, right? For example, if I just go and click on share, I can share it. There's a QR code. I can also embed into any of the websites. If I just go and click on embed, I will just get here, bottom pop-up. For example, this is how it look, or we can embed in a form of or in a just in a form of thermometer or just a form or bottom pop-up. So if you like any of the option, let's say I just like the thermometer here, I will just go and click on choose. It will give me a link. I have to copy the link and put it in my website. Right now, if I will receive any kind of payment, automatically it will show up here. Right, these are the contacts and this is a bank account. I have to connect my bank account. So it's that simple. Now we will go one by one. So no worries. This is a home, by the way. You can access more than one account. You can invite a user, right? If you have somebody who is helping to do this cause, then you can just go and click on invite a user. You can add them. You can have more than one account in Zeffy and you can manage all at once. Now, managing donors very effectively is crucial for long-term success. Now, Zeffy makes this easy with built-in donor management system, which already we are looking into this. Now, you can see details. For example, if you got any payments, you can see details like name, contact info, and donation history of the donor. Organize donor based on criteria like donation amount of frequency, and download donor list as a CSV file for offline use or integration with other platforms, which you will get it here. If you want to create more form, obviously home is a dashboard which will give you all this information. For example, these are the things which is left to make our account 100% connected. These are the donation which will show up here, how much money I raised and how much I saved. Now it will show me all the payments, the graph that on every day. So for example, in a single day, I fundraised around $100. On the next day I fundraised around $70. It will show me in my chart. The second comes the forms. I can just go and create as many forms as I want. I've already gave you one of the tutorial how you can do this. Now the third thing is a payment. So you can also see the payment. You can import the payments, right? Now here, for example, if I've already received a payment through offline, I can just go and add it here. Obviously, the payment if I will receive through Zeffy will automatically the payment will be added. This is a contact, so I can add my all my contacts here and I can send them all the form at once. And I can, for example, if some donor came through the website or through the link, automatically it will add it as a contact. The second thing is a visitor. So visitor, for just to see the visitor, I have to link my bank account to start fundraising and view visitors. This is the email section, so I will able to see all these email, right? And as well as I can send, for example, there's a set of email, right? If I just go and click on new email, I can send to all these contacts which I have saved here if I have the email of this contact list, right? So I will just close this part now. Now let's move to this bank section. Now here, first of all, we have to add our non-profit details, and then we have to verify our identity. To verify, I have to submit any one of the documents, and after that, I have to provide my banking information. And Zeffy also get integrated with the Stripe. So if you have this Stripe, then it's great. Now, if I just go and click on get started, I have to submit any one of this information here, EIN number, address, and describe on your supporter's bank statement and click on save and continue. Now that's it guys, you now have the tool to master online donations and donors management with Zeffy. If this tutorial helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more non-profit resources. And if you want to support this channel, please go and access any one of our affiliate link given in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribe.